finally come. Alright guys, so this is the package that I've been waiting for. This is a really cool fingerboard kind of lot, so really excited. Let's just get into it. It's a pretty big box, I have to say, but we're just gonna open it up and I'll show you everything that's inside. This is a bunch of Blackriver stuff and I got it for a really good deal. So this is actually all Blackriver products and then some Flatface and Dynamic, but let's just show you what I got. So the first item, which to me was probably the best deal, is this Blackriver ramp. So this is so cool. I've never owned a Blackriver obstacle before. It's actually a lot lighter than I thought, but the qualities of the wood is really nice. And there's Flatface stickers, so really cool. But yes, this is the first item, so put that to the side. There are some more obstacles, so we have this Blackriver rail, which is really solid. So again, really cool. Blackriver rail, awesome. And here's the rest of the stuff. All right, so there's more stuff in here. Now there are actual decks that are in here as well. And there's also another obstacle. So lots of bubble wrap, but hey, I would prefer that than not having anything wrapped at all. In this bag, there's a bunch of goodies, which I'll show you, but I did want to just open up the obstacle first. Oh, we'll get this off. So this is really cool. This is also another Blackriver obstacle. Has this brick material on the back. Blackriver, really cool. And also looks like a poster, which I'll open up after. All right, so inside this bag, there are a bunch of goodies that are in here, so I'm gonna show all those to you. Really excited to have all these pieces. The box is massive, to be honest, but there's a lot of stuff in here, so let's open it up without breaking anything. So I'll show you the boards first before I show you the other stuff. So this came with two boards. So one of the boards is a Berlinwood board with this really cool design. I really like this one. And then there's also a Flatface board, which is really cool. So I've never owned a Flatface board, but this looks awesome. And again, this is a Berlinwood board, but definitely feels like less plies compared to the Flatface. There's also Blackriver Trucks on this one and dynamic wheels, I believe. So these wheels are actually pretty big, so I'm gonna have to try this out. Feels like a 34 millimeter, but goes in there. It also came with some trucks and wheels and a bunch of different goodies in there. And there's also a bunch of stickers and a lot of different grip tape. Actually 4 grip tapes, so that's a lot of grip tape. And stickers, because who doesn't love different stickers? Blackriver, Flatface, all different cool stuff. This was the Flatface one. I did take the stickers off because I was like not really feeling it, but this is the Flatface one. Probably put different stickers on there, but this has Oak Wheels, Flatface board, and Blackriver Trucks. So I don't think I'm going to really change that one too much. This is the Berlinwood, which I am going to be adding grip tape. The guy had these trucks, but to be honest, I don't think these are really, these feel like just Chinese trucks. So I'm going to use ones from Teak Tuning, which I bought, and I took off that board. So I'm gonna customize it, then I'll show you what it looks like after. Both boards are done. So this is the, I'll just do side by side. So this is a Flatface board with Blackriver Trucks and Oak Wheels. And then this is a Berlinwood board. And this one has Teak Tuning Trucks. And I believe these are also Oak Wheels as well, but I'll just show you close up what they look like. So really cool. I actually do like the Flatface one a lot, to be honest. Like, I just like that brown. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and super pumped to start making more videos, obviously using some of the new Blackriver stuff, so more content to come out soon, and definitely check out my shorts and also my Instagram, which is right here, as well as my TikTok, which is right here. But thanks so much to Flatface, Blackriver, and Oak Wheels are insane. I didn't realize these were Oak Wheels. Oak Wheels are crazy, crazy, but thanks so much for watching, appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, bye.